According to the schedule, these are prime. Let's begin the harvest immediately.
Make sure the large ones go here.
We need more baskets for the next row.
How do these look for quality control?
Here is your delivery manifest. Please sign here.
All right, we are packed to capacity and ready to roll.
The convoy from the northern farms is running 20 minutes ahead of schedule.
Acknowledged. Rerouting them to loading bay 4 for immediate processing.
Back it up slowly now. Keep it coming. All right, hold it there. All right, hold it there.
A second washing stage ensures maximum sanitation. Food-safe disinfecting solutions are carefully
This batch looks good, very consistent. Yes, the speed is optimal right now.
We need to ensure consistency in this batch. Pointing out the ones that are slightly bruised, make sure they are removed immediately.
Papaya cubes enter chilled holding areas. Cold air preserves freshness and flavor. Temperature controls operate automatically. Sensors monitor storage conditions constantly.
Mark. Powerful machines transform papayas into smooth pulp. Automated systems regulate processing speed, tension. Papaya puree flows through filtration equipment. Fine screens remove unwanted particles.
Check the viscosity reading on panel 4. All parameters are stable, maintaining optimal blend. We're hitting peak capacity on line 3.
Divert the next 1,000 units to the south warehouse. Automatic wrapping machines cover pallets in protective film. Rotating platforms spin continuously during wrapping.
Confirmation on the shipment to Dallas, tracking number 452. Make sure the high-value items are double-checked before loading. Make sure the documents match the pallet count for the Johnson order.
Already confirmed, Supervisor. We are on schedule. That blue container needs to be on the next ship to Europe. Confirmed. The documentation is all set for the papaya pallets.
Control, Unit 5 reporting. Cargo secured and tracking activated. We are pulling out now.
Bay 3 is clear, send the next one in.
All right, pulling up now.
The consistency levels look good on this batch.
Yes, the spectrophotometer readings confirm the safety parameters are met.
The viscosity and Brix levels are within specifications for Lot 23B.
Excellent. Everything looks compliant. We can approve this for distribution.
We have an alert on machine performance, Sector 4. See the spike?
Yes, adjusting parameters remotely. The system is stabilizing now.
Maintenance technicians inspect critical machinery. Tools and diagnostic equipment are used carefully. Motors, belts, and sensors are examined. Collected papaya seeds enter a separate processing area. Machines clean and dry the seeds carefully. Valuable byproducts are created from the harvest. The system is operating at optimal performance. We are meeting all environmental standards.
Excellent. Our sustainability goals are achieved.
The system is operating at optimal performance. We are meeting all environmental standards.
Excellent. Our sustainability goals are achieved.
Aerial cameras reveal the immense size of the complex. Warehouses, processing halls, and loading docks stretch across the property.
We need to increase the throughput on line 3. Already on it, just recalibrating the robotic arm.
As you can see, our Q3 efficiency ratios have surpassed the target by 5%.
This data supports the immediate expansion of the automated assembly line.
So the new robotics handle the entire assembly sequence now.
That's correct, significantly strengthening our capacity.
So the new robotics handle the entire assembly sequence now.
That's correct, significantly strengthening our capacity.
Our global network ensures that the freshest papaya products reach satisfied customers in markets around the world every day.
From vast plantations to state-of-the-art warehouses, millions of papayas are transformed daily.